Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan regenerators. How are you all doing today? I hope you're feeling good. I hope you're looking good. I hope you're feeling airy because we've got another collective tarot for you today, and we are looking into what do others admire most about you. So get your tea, get your snacks ready because we're gonna get into it.
Guarantee. GCBS, guarantee. GCBS, guarantee. Welcome to GCBS. Yeah.
I hope you've got a nice cup of tea or some snacks as we gather these juicy messages, okay? And we are looking into the question, what do others admire most about you, okay? So we're going to start first with this deck, okay? It's got a lot of late night thoughts type of messages. So, just when they're about to get ready to go and like hit the bed, or they could be in bed, laying down or resting, and during that resting period, these thoughts coming through. So we're gonna have a look. This deck is about, I'd say about 50% done. It's a deck that I'm currently working on, and we're just, as those intuitive messages come through, we just add them on. So we're gonna have a look and see currently what wants to come out from these messages here, okay? So let's have a look. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wagwan Tarot and Tea. Okay, right. So, what do others admire most about you? This could be anyone in particular, like a love interest or anything, anyone. We're just gonna have a look and see what wants to come out. Take what resonates, okay? Ooh la la. So we have the taste of their kiss. Ooh, wait. The taste of their kiss is a sweet addiction I never want to break. Oy, 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 oy. And we have here, I find myself daydreaming about the way their fingers delicately trace the patterns on my back. Ooh la la, ooh la la. Okay, and we have the way they hold me close makes me feel like we are the only two souls in the universe. Oh, oh, so there's some strong feelings. Okay, I feel like there's a lot of energy of like admiring your beauty, your presence, your energy, your vibe, the way you move and groove. Yeah, the way you move and you groove. Okay, so we have in their in their embrace, I find solace, safety, and a love that knows no bounds. Oh, ooh, wee. Okay. Wee. These intuitive, juicy gems are coming through. We've got their laughter echoes in my mind, and I long to hear it again in the quiet of the night. So there's this energy of like, again, it's good vibrational energy. The laughing, the way I'm getting the way you make them feel. Okay, and I feel like there's a message from the inner child wants to come out. So let's pull on the inner child cards. Let's have a look and see what the what inner child cards wants to come out. So the way you make others around you, how they feel, what they admire, show us from the inner child what what energies comes out. Okay, let's have a look and see. All right, shuffle, baby. Okay. From time to time, when we have a little shuffle, we're waiting for a message to come through. We love to sing that. Right. So we've got mother, a mental level. So perhaps I feel like it could be a nurturing because look, we have, I find in their embrace, I find solace and safety. And I feel like that perhaps you give them that sense of safety and security that probably they may have always been longing for, or they feel when they're in your presence, they can feel secure. And I feel like that could even be I've got the message that I've got for some of you, this may resonate, is the song by Alicia Keys, Secrets. Um, is it no diary in my I think it's my diary. If you know, put it in the comments down below because I love to engage with your comments. So please click on that notification bell, like, subscribe, and send us a comment. All right. So there's a strong energy with the mother, the mental level. And look at here, mother again. There's a strong energy of mother. Strong energy of mother here. Okay. We've got the love of our mother in its sacred intent is divine. Divine love in its highest form. So too our love for our own mother is always striving to reach this highest ideal of love. As we go through life, learning forgiveness and the development of unconditional love, our mother and symbolically the divine mother or goddess is a powerfully focus to reach the highest levels of feminine love. The affirmation, I am the sacred child, O divine mother who has blessed me with this gift of life. I love you. Ooh, so there's this strong energy, and I feel like it could also be bringing this energy of wanting to heal, wanting to heal that inner child, or to embrace their inner child, to feel safe in any relationship or any union that they're in, whether it's like a platonic, whether it's a romantic. I feel like this could also be somebody that may have been taking some time to work on their thing or work on things in life, or I'm saying working on their things, but working on maybe any kind of like seeking healing. And I feel like they in this presence, they feel safe in this presence. Okay, let's have a look. We've got obsessions here. Just wanted to see what was significant at the front. But look at this strong energy of mother, strong energy of mother. But we'll just have a look at the obsessions. You've got the obsessive personalities often seeking excitement through mental and emotional stimuli, often locked into the past or obsessed by the future. So all obsessions or addictions take one out of the now, out of the dissatisfaction of being in this moment. A person in this state can easily move from one obsession to another when they become bored, or the obsession impractical. The need here is for more right brain intuitive emphasis through meditation or nature to bring back balance and harmony. And the affirmation, I am complete and whole within. I need nothing outside of myself. Now, I feel like there's a significant message here because if we look carefully, we have from some of these messages, we have like their laughter echoes in my mind and I long to hear it again in the quiet of the night. Okay. The way they hold me makes me feel like we are the only two souls in the universe. Okay, I find myself daydreaming about thing the way their fingers delicately trace patterns on my back and the taste of the kiss. So there is some kind of like I feel like it's like an excitement, but there is kind of like this there's an energy of like ooh, ooh, like I feel like it's like someone's bubbling up. But I feel like it's like this message to stay, at the same time, even though they may get excited, they still have this strong energy, or the energy that you give to them. It also helps them to connect with their own divine, you know, divine masculine, divine feminine energy to balance, especially rooted around a mother. Okay, the mothering energy. Okay. Now, I'm getting the message that this could be maybe the same age group, or it could be someone who is let's say it's maybe slightly younger or could be slightly older, okay? All right, so we're going to have a look again, at some more messages on what wants to come out. Right, I feel like we're gonna need to do a little sipping. Okay, let us know what you are sipping on today. Okay, put it in the comments down below while I drink my water. Okay, what you sipping on today? And thank you. We've got to big up. We're gonna do maybe a big up segment to all of the subscribers, to all of the watchers. Come on, if you haven't already, like and subscribe. But thank you to all of you for letting us know what you're sipping on, just sending us a comment, at Wagwan Tarot. We really appreciate it. So big up to all of the collective and for letting us know all of the delicious, delicious tea you've been sipping on whilst you gather these intuitive gems. All right, so let's take a sip together. I've got some water, okay? Mm. All right, let's get into this. So, I'm gonna have a look at these value cards, okay? Now, they're playing cards, but they have like keywords. We're gonna see what type of keywords want to come out in regards to what do others admire most about you. So, what do others admire most about you? What do others admire most about you for the collective? What do you need to know? This could be a love interest, it could be platonic, it could be a crush, it could be an ex. We just want to see what type of messages want to come out. Look at this. So we have the Eight of Hearts. This can also represent the Eight of Cups, okay, energy in the tarot. But we have awareness, benevolence, compassion. I feel like there's that the compassion is a strong energy here, especially because we see the mother cards come through as well. Humanity, thoughtfulness. Okay, let's see what else wants to come out. Let's have a look and see what else wants to come out of the collective. Woo! Two popped out. Look at this. We've got the King of Swords, or the king. Yes, the King of Swords, because this represents a strong energy of clarity. Look, we've got autonomy, independency, self-determination, self-reliance, self-sufficiency. So I feel like these are all of the things that people admire about you, things that people love, you know. And I feel like they're very impressed by your energy as well. And we have the Six of Cups now, or the Six of Hearts. So that can represent, that reconciliation energy. It can also represent that inner child energy as well. So we've got assertiveness, assurance, confidence, and poise. Okay. Ooh la la. Now I feel drawn to pull again. Let's see what else wants to come out for the collective and what do they admire most about you. Okay. Ooh, we've got the Ten of Cups and we've got the Nine of Wands. So there's a message. Uh, Tatiana Ali, the song "Boy You Knock Me Out." Boy, you knock me out. That song is really coming through. Like I feel like it's a strong energy of like the way you move, the way you groove, it's really compelling. Okay. So we have continuity, ease, flow, fluency, smoothness. It's like I'm getting the messages like think of like Goldilocks, okay, going through the bear's house and trying to find the porridge that's just right. The message I'm getting, it's just right. When they're around you, when they're in your presence, it just feels right, just right, okay? Now we have the Ten of Cups or the Ten of Hearts, okay? The belonging, collaboration, contribution, cooperation, friendship, involvement, teamwork. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Okay. So we are going to have a look at the Jamaican proverb now and see what message does the Jamaican proverb wants to tell or let the collective know at this time. Let's have a look. What does the collective need to know? What does the collective need to know? Have a look. What do the collective need to know? So we have puss and dog no have the same luck. Puss and dog no have the same luck. Okay, in translation, this just means a cat, a puss, and a dog do not have the same luck. Okay, different species. Okay, but also there could be competition, favoritism. Okay, a lack of fairness can impact a situation. Now, I feel in this scenario, okay, as the puss and dog has popped up frequently in the last couple of reads, but I feel like the message that I'm getting here is that there could be like an age difference, there could be a cultural difference, there could be an interracial difference, okay? There could be an educational, maybe academic difference, there could be a financial difference. However, that does not stop you admiring. Okay? That does not stop you having this energy to admire. Okay? Even if it's maybe people are admire your beauty, your energy, your vibe. Okay? There's a strong energy of this. Okay? Ooh la la. Right. So we're going to have a look now at let's pull out some cards. Let's color cards. We've got some color oracle cards here. We're going to see what type of colors comes to mind when they think of you. Let's have a look. What type of colors comes to mind when they think of you? What type of colors? Ooh wee. So we have green. Ooh, think of green is vibrant. It's abundant. It's giving that energy of as well flow. Okay. Earthy. Okay. I'm getting the message of feeling safe, secure. Green, revitalize your nervous system. This is what you're doing. You're awakening this person. You're awakening them. Okay, you're bringing out the compassion in them, their awareness, the ease, the flow, the smoothness. Okay, the sense of belonging, collaboration, teamwork. Okay, self-determination, self-reliance, self-sufficiency. Ooh, wee. Oi, 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 oi. Okay, let's have a look and see what else wants to come out. Okay, what other colors? Ooh, okay, so we have brilliance. Okay, so I feel like this could be brilliant tends to be like brilliant white in like paints. And like, again, I feel like this is this energy of like they have this sense of purity, calmness when they are around you. It's a strong energy of being calm and when they are around you. Okay. Ooh, let's have a look and see what else wants to come out. So we have bronze. Strengthen your body. Strengthen your body. Ooh, 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 ooh. So with bronze, strengthen your body. It's this strong energy of I'm getting it's like, look what's going on. I feel like this is also represent the energy of things flowing. I feel like I'm getting a strong energy of connecting with your energy, but it's also a like strong, heavy attraction energy, a sexual energy here as well. Okay. But I'm getting a strong energy as we haven't looked at the tarot yet. With the Ten of Hearts being here, it's like for some of you, if this is a love connection, they can see the long term with you. Like I feel like this person has a long oversight vision and seeing how you can all you the two of you can be work alongside one another, supporting one another, even if you all can be very independent, okay, because we can see self-sufficient, self-reliance, but I feel like it again coming together that you will make an excellent team. Okay, so let's have a look now at some of the messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine, some physical characteristics, hobbies, interests, anything that they want to kind of give you an inkling to help you to know who this person who is really coming through into this collective read. Okay. Woo, look at that. Your intelligence and your wit impress me more than you know. Here's the first clue. Here's the first clue. Someone is inspired. Okay, I'm getting Freddie Jackson. No, no, it's not Freddie Jackson. I'm getting Johnny Gill. My. You sure look good tonight. Ooh, yo, that for me, that song always resonated, even though it's it came out way before me. But I don't know that song. Every time, I just think that song really resonates with the energy of someone who's having all these kind of feelings and thinking, but it's all intuitive. Okay. Green, look at this. Second clue. Green finger gardening to help you to know who this person could be and or what they admire about you. Ooh, and look at this. We have green. Green. So there is something to do with green. Perhaps there's been like I'm getting a message. Maybe there was a picnic, maybe there was a walk, maybe there was like a talk about going to some kind of place where there's plants or there's been like a last like some memories around a garden. Okay. Getting also a message, maybe something to do with the mother and the garden. Then we have the thought of being without you is something that I have worried about. Now I feel like this could be a current love interest. This could, and this maybe plays into the message that we saw earlier about an obsession, or maybe having overwhelmed or overthinking. Okay. And it could also be maybe perhaps an ex. This could be an ex who's coming through into the reads and having these feelings. Okay. Okay, let's have a look and see what else. Look at this. We have distinctive tattoos. So there is someone wants to give you a clue to who this might be. This could be you. Perhaps you have distinctive tattoos, but someone here has distinctive tattoos, and this is another way of them trying to come through to the into the read to let you know who they are. Okay. What else do you want the collective to know? Oh, one fell on the floor. 1 second. This is a lot of energy here. A lot of energy. Look at this, freckles. So someone may have freckles. Someone may have freckles. Okay, what else do you want them to know? An avid traveler. So there's maybe someone who's an avid traveler or who talks about going and trying and or embracing different cultures, trying new things. Okay. Ooh, okay. We have I'm afraid to admit how deeply I've fallen for you. So this could be a crush. This could be someone that you know, and I feel like you have a strong like familiarity with them. Okay. And perhaps maybe there's been times when you feel like, are you really interested in me? I don't know. If you have been having those feelings, this is the person. Okay. Then we have I can't wait to see where our journey takes us together. So, you know how we said earlier, this person could have a long vision, long oversight. I feel like this could be this person who has this calm, also this calm demeanor about them, on waiting and to see where this journey takes the two of you, but really is enjoying the connection and enjoying what you both have together. But I'm getting the message as well. They don't want to kind of like spoil it or anything. Just let it just take its course. But they are sincere in their intentions. Okay. Now we're gonna have a look and see what is this one that's trying to pop out because there's quite a few. So we're gonna have a look as well and see which ones were trying to come through. Okay, so we have foodie lover. So there could be someone here who's a foodie lover and who enjoys trying new foods with and going out again, going back to that avid traveler, trying new things, embrace new things. And I feel like this could be, with the puss and dog, have the same luck. It could be that energy that there may be cultural differences here, perhaps religious differences. There could be like interracial differences. Okay. But then I feel like that's also what is making the attraction stronger. Okay. So we're going to just have a look because these ones I could see, notice that they were trying to pop up. So we have, here's a message. You make even the most ordinary, okay, moments, mundane moments feel amazing. Look at this. Your beauty, both inside. This is the strong energy of the admiration coming through. Your beauty, both inside and out, captivates me endlessly. Oh, let's have a look and see what else was trying to pop through. Okay. Yup, there they are. A yoga and meditation practitioner. A yoga and meditation practitioner. Oh, okay. And we have full lips because I did see this earlier. Full lips, full lips. So that I feel like this could be something that they really admire about you. Really admire. Okay, and we did see as part of the late night thoughts, there was something to do with. Oi, 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 oi. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Let's have a look and see if there's anything else. Okay, yes, infectious laughter. Infectious laughter. And there was something to do with laughing. Let's have a look. Yes, look at this. Their laughter echoes in my mind, and I long to hear it again in the quiet of the night. Now, I'm going to have a look and see what the divine masculine wants you to know. So we're looking into their higher self now. What does the divine masculine want to say to you as the divine feminine? Okay. What do they want to say to you? Let's have a look. So we have, I long to explore every corner of your mind and heart. This is what they are longing for. Okay, what else does the divine masculine to the divine feminine want to say to you? What else? Woo! Another one fell on the floor. A lot of strong energy here. Collective. You gotta let us know what's going on. Look at this. Oh my God. Right. So you make me feel alive. Look at this. You make me feel alive in every way. This is some strong energy here because those ones that just keep flying away. Strong energy here. This again, we're looking into their higher self now. This is when we're looking into their higher self, this is the energy of like no holding back. A song that's coming to mind is a song by a reggae artist called Beres Hammond. And I believe the song is No Holding Back. 100% I'm giving my love tonight. I coulda give some more. No holding back. No holding back. 100% and I can still give some more. Hey, 'cause you make me feel alive in every way. Yes. So the collective, you make this person feel alive. This is their high self now really coming through. With no inhibitions, everything is just I'm going to put it straight on the table now. This is me. This is me. Ooh. Ooh, wee. Ooh, wee. Okay, let's have a look and see what else. Oh, they still want to keep letting you know who they are. Look at this. An avid sports fan. So this they could have an interest in sports, in some type of sports. Okay. Even if perhaps it could be also the belonging. Sometimes some people like they're not really a like a religious follower of sports, but they could be or like to say they're very consistent with following day-to-day sports, but they could enjoy the belonging of the sports activity, okay, the community aspect of it. Again, there's a strong clue about this message keeps coming through: intelligence, intellectual, stimulating conversations. And we had the message about stimulation here. I'm sure it was we had it. We had a message about stimuli. Stimuli. Let's have a look on the other cards. I think it was on the yes. Here, seeking excitement through mental and emotional stimuli. Seeking excitement through mental and emotional stimuli. I feel like there's a strong energy here. Strong energy here. They enjoy that mental and emotional connection that they have with you. Okay? Right. Anything else the divine masculine wants to share, okay, with the divine feminine? Okay. So they could be someone who is tech savvy and into gadgets. Tech savvy and into gadgets. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Right. So we're gonna have a look at some ooh la la. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. We're gonna have a look at some ooh la la cards. Okay. Let's have a look at some ooh la la. 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 What do they admire? Or, these are a little bit cheeky, but cheeky, cheeky. But we're going to have a look and see what wants to come out. Oh, okay. Okay. They look like he wanted to come out. Look at this. Play with me. Play with me. Play with me. Look at this. This is like, look, yeah. Hey, what else? What else? What else does the collective need to know? Ooh, another fly away. Look, 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 look at this. Look at that. That came out twice. And look at this. We're gonna leave it there. Because you know. Okay? So we're gonna have a look now because we can see all these messages on what they admire. They're very attractive, they're very drawn to the energy or vibration. You bring this sense of like purity to them. Okay, look at this green, ever flowing, abundant energy. Okay, we have this bronze. Think of like this is almost like close to the color of the sacral chakra, which is all about that sexual reproduction energy. Okay, okay. So I can see right now I'm getting the message free, free, free. And free, free, free is the angel number of like expansion, growth. Okay. Ooh, it's very strong healing energy. But I feel like this is all their energies coming through as well of like, the late night thoughts, their thinking, their attraction towards you, is it might also have this kind of like nervous energy to it or like shy, but it's there, it's there, it's there. So we're going to have a look now at let's have a look at the romance Oracle. Let's see what wants to come out on what they admire most about you. Oh, okay. So we have pay attention to the red flags. because the signs are cautioning you. Now, this one was popping out, so we just bear this in mind. So I'm going to do another shuffle, okay, and see what wants to come out. But I feel like if there's some of you, perhaps if this could be an ex or this could be someone who, again, you may have had a familiarity with, and this could, just to always trust your intuition and use your discernment. But we're going to do another shuffle, okay, and see what wants to come out. So, what do they admire most about you? What messages do you want to let the collective know at this time? Thank you. So we have, oi, 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 oi. So this could be the energy. Again, as we said, this like shy. Look at this. It's like this shy energy there of how they feel, but they still kind of have this shyness about it. And I feel like maybe, seeing that message about pay attention to this, perhaps this could be also something just to be mindful or be aware of. But we've got the message here. Is it safe for you to love? Open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. Look at that. Okay. So they admire, but then at the same time, perhaps there's some work that needs to be done so that they can feel truly comfortable in this energy and release. Okay, release. I'm getting a strong message here is they need to release. Okay. So I feel like this release energy is also that there's a lot of frustration energy. Okay, a lot of frustration energy. So we're gonna have a look now at a wisdom message. Let's see what wisdom message wants to come out. Okay, we've got these wisdom oracle cards. Okay, so when they think about you, okay, and they are admired by your beauty, we already know they are admired by your beauty, your presence, your charm, your wit, your intelligence, your ability to laugh with an infectious laugh. Okay, what else do they want to let you know with these wisdom cards? Ooh, thank you. We have often in life, your plan B turns out to be the best thing for you. Maybe the B stands for blessing. So I feel like this either way, if it's like somebody who has a crush or has a feeling, or they could have been an ex, like I feel like they still, even just to know you or to even have you or call you as a friend, they still see it as a blessing. So I feel like this is a strong appreciative energy here. And perhaps I'm getting the message as well. Some of you may have helped someone to repair a relationship with their mother or family, and they really appreciate, or help them to get the oversight to see things and or to have more self-awareness, more clarity in a particular area in their life. But they see you and value you as a true blessing, as a true blessing. So before we come to the end, rewind. I just realized we haven't even used any tarot yet. We haven't used any tarot yet. So let's have a look at the tarot. We're going to use this new deck that I have, which is the Crystal Magic Tarot deck. Okay, I'm going to have a look and see what wants to come out for the collective. Okay, on what do they admire? Okay, what do they admire most about you based on the current energy that we have here? Reveal the cards that the collective need to see. Thank you. Right. So, what do they admire most about you? Woo! Okay, again, there's a lot of energy here. There's a lot of energy here. We've got the Four of Coins, the Four of Pentacles. Now, rethink of this. Look at this as infinity energy. You bring out this energy out of them. You help to uplift them. You help them to come out of their shell. Okay, they are admired by this. They are admired by this. And I feel like perhaps they have kept some of this energy, really like kind of closed for such a long time, but I feel like your presence, your lightness helps to make them see things in a different light, helps them, like at the minute I can hear rain and it's helping them. I'm getting I can stand the rain. There's a song. If you know it, put it in the comments down below. And it's something like, can you stand the rain? Oh, I don't know if it's New Edition. Silk. I if you do know, put it in the comments down below. But there is a song lyric about I that can you stand the rain? And I feel like you're helping this. You may have even helped this person to have that oversight to see things differently, and they're really appreciative. Perhaps even if they may have not even mentioned it initially, they appreciate it because they've once they've had that time to reflect or those late night thoughts, they have it gives them that ability to then realize, yeah, I really appreciate, we're gonna call you Jane. I really appreciate what Jane said to me or how she made me look at it differently. Woo! Now we're gonna have a look at seeing what's this one. Oi, 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 oi. Look at this, the Two of Cups. And look what's going on with the picture. We can see there's an interracial difference. And this is something that we was picking up earlier in the reads. You know, perhaps it could be, with the Two of Cups, there could be perhaps as, a same, it could maybe be a same sex. It could be, again, a cultural and interracial difference. As, there could be a variety of maybe differences, but at the same time, those differences also helps you to appreciate one another and have a love for one another. You know, it, right, let's have a look and see what else wants to come through. What else wants to come through? Right. And, as we're looking into anybody, it can also maybe be a friend who's coming through. So we have the Ace of Coins. Look at this. The Ace of Coins. The Ace of Pentacles represents this energy of a blessing, a blessing of safety, security, stability, okay, new opportunities for maybe money and growth, okay. Now I feel like this is your energy. Your energy has an uplifting, okay, energy to help people around you, see their worth, see their potential. And I feel like if you look at what we see, we've got bronze, okay. It's like that energy of money. We see the green as well. Okay, this strong energy of green, you are coming through into the reeds, this sense of like purity. And I feel like this could be also like they can sense, intuitively sense your energy and sense that your energy, even if how you go to help or you give advice, it always makes them feel secure, it makes them feel safe, and they really enjoy that energy. And it's a very uplifting energy that I'm getting here. A very uplifting, okay? Message that I'm getting is, you got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. And look, we've got the devil here. But I feel like the devil here, being here, is, again, helping. I feel like the this energy helps them to then recognize the importance that they need to work on issues. As we said earlier, we had the mother issue, perhaps recognizing that, there's things that they need to work on and not to get caught up in any kind of, I'm getting the message, fixations or anything that's working against them. Okay. Okay, what else do they admire about you? What else do they admire about you? Before we come to a close, what else do they admire about you? Woo! Okay, so we have the Magician. Look at this energy. You're a go-getter. You're a go-getter. Okay? With what little you have, it doesn't matter how small, okay? You can turn those lemons, you can turn a couple of lemons into lemonade. and this succulent, juicy lemonade. Okay, and they love this about you. Again, look at the strong energy of green. Okay, you come with this abundant energy, top topper, okay, top topper, hot gal in the building, okay, this is your energy, okay, so all I just said earlier, just now, is you come with this energy of being a hot gal, the hot girl, the hot girls in the building. You step with an energy that is mesmerizing, that when you are around, everyone has to stop and recognize, because you come with this really powerful, engaging, the way you move, the way you groove, the way you look at this, the way you move, the way you groove. You're about your business, and they recognize that. So, last but not least, we're going to look at an intuitive travel imagery, okay? And have a look and see what message wants to come out when they think about you. Okay. When they think about you. Okay. What do they most admire about you? Ooh, wait. Look at this. There's definitely someone who is a sports fan here. Look at this. Look at this. 2 tickets as well. Again, it's giving me that 2 cups energy. Okay. 2 cups energy. And we have the 2 here. Look at that. And the 8. 8 is like working on things, taking action. This could be something they may have even wanted to do with you, like go out on a date, or go out and do some kind of like sports event or activity. But there's a strong energy of somebody is a real sports or avid fan and wants to enjoy this. Could be hockey, because this looks like a hockey ticket. But look at that. Look at that. And we have, look at this. Look. Siesta. Hotel La Siesta. Look at that imagery. Can you see that imagery of the dancing, the passionate dancing? And look at that, going into a hotel, okay, talking and just having fun, engaging with one another's company. Okay, look at this. Look at that. Look at that. 13. I'm getting the message to look heavily at the 13. I hope you can see the 13 there. Okay, the 1, the 3. Okay, and then we said earlier we saw 3, which is the energy of expansion, growth. 1, new beginnings. Okay, let's add them together. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 4 is the energy of the Emperor, stability. Okay, safety, security. Is it safe to love? This is the message that I'm getting. You know, this is what they wanting to work towards. This is what they want to work towards. And it feels like this is a lemon tree, and we just talked about lemons, making lemons into lemonade. As they say, when life gives you lemons, you turn those lemons to lemonades. Now look at this color chart, and I'm getting the message to chakras. The message again, the way you make me feel. Michael Jackson's coming to mind. The way you make me feel. Okay, you really turn me on. You really knock me out of my knock. If you know it, put it in the comments down below. This is a great way to engage with you all. But I'm sure it's something to do. You knock me out my feet. Okay, if you know, put it in the comments down below. Okay, but look at this. You know, this is all things wanting to, and it could be like activities that you enjoy. The message here is like the tree outside our hotel. Look at that. The sunburn, the roofs, the tiles, the bricks, the clothes, the furniture, fried snacks. Look at that. So, there's a lot of energy here. There's a lot of energy here. But you know what? We're gonna end with one more message. I know that I said what I was gonna, but I'm getting a message to have one more look at this deck, and let's have a lasting message. Oh, okay. Hey, look at that. Look at that. The last time I saw them smile, It was as if the world was suddenly a brighter place. We're gonna end it here. We're gonna end it here with this message. But to the collective, take what resonates, but leave the rest. Wherever you go to watch tarot, just take what resonates and leave the rest. Or intuitive messages, okay? Take what resonates and leave the rest. But be sure to look good, feel good, stay blessed, keep sipping, and I will see you on the next one. Gwan.